What's all the buzz about?
I'll tell you, the Beehive, built well by the 19th century, was designed by a Scottish inventor named Hamish the Hairy-Nepagus. It was first used to create sweets for Hamish's 4 small younger children. It then expanded into Capernwray's sugar fix. From its expansion till the 1990s, it was the hangout spot. Boom, flash, the internet hit the scene. This refuge of sweetness was not put in as a Wi-Fi spot. Its reputation as a meeting place dwindled. The mass of people then decided to congregate in the lounge or reading room. Now the revival. Oh, here's another generous customer and maybe a few more bright characters. Let's check it out.
I'm a buzzing bee, but I don't know what kind of bee I am. Am I a good buzzing bee? Do I do my buzzing part in my beehive?
I love working at the Beehive!
My mom does not let me eat that more candy. Thank you, Kate.
Do I have good buzzing friends? What kind of buzzing bee am I? Honey for my family. Are my parents proud of me? Am I a good buzzing bee? Am I a good buzzing bee?
I've been here for 5 hours. Didn't even notice. No. I've been here for 5 hours without the internet. Didn't even care.
Oh, no. I've been here for 5 days, missed all the lectures, didn't even notice.
I've been here for 5 months. Didn't even notice.
Do I get that buzzing family? Not family. Honey for my family. Are my parents proud of my buzzing?
You don't need to buy this. It's in the laundry room for free.
Coming to the Beehive.
Are you at the hive?
So that's what the buzz is all about.
This guy lives above the beehive.